Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be doing the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of the Vivo V20. Now these are the complete specifications of this phone. This phone sports a 6.44-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, and powering it is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor with Adreno 618 GPU, and this combination can definitely give you a great gaming experience. And that AMOLED display makes the overall gaming experience even better. Now before we get started, these are the benchmark scores. As for my current setup, there are two huge lights on either side. Phone currently has 85% of battery left. There is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. As for the temperature of the phone, on the front it is 32 degrees, at the bottom it is 33, on the back and bottom it's again about 32 degrees. Now we'll start the timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. Before the game begins, we get this pop-up for Game Assistant, where you can toggle settings for background calls, mute notifications, reject calls and so on. For PUBG, we get some additional features as well. Now back to the race. As you can see, visuals are amazing and details are great, and the AMOLED display makes it look even better. And there's no problem with control either. There is a bit of lag here and there, but it's not that noticeable. Phone feels pretty light in hand, and that's great for playing games. And even if you play games continuously for hours together, you won't have much discomfort. So I've been playing this game for about 5 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front it's about 36 to 37 degrees, at the bottom it's 36 degrees, on the back it's about 36 degrees, and at the bottom it is 35 degrees. Phone feels slightly warm, that's it. No heating issues so far. Next I'll be playing Call of Duty. As you have seen, visuals are great, details are pretty good, and once again, controls are pretty smooth. And I couldn't notice any lag. By the way, I played this game in the default graphics settings. Now I've been playing this game for about 11 minutes. Let's check the temperature. On the front it's about 39 degrees, at the bottom it is 37. On the back I've seen a maximum of 38 degrees and at the bottom it is 36. Now the phone feels slightly more warmer, but that's completely negligible. You can still continue playing the game. Now I've been playing games continuously for about 17 minutes and the phone battery percentage is currently 81%. So for approximately 15 minutes of gameplay, phone used about 4% of battery, which is pretty good. So overall gaming experience on this phone is pretty good. You can play all the high-end games without much issues, and the battery drain is also pretty small. Now for the final heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously using both the front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. By the way, there is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. So it's been about 3 minutes. Let's check the temperature. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 44 degrees. At the bottom, it is about 37. On the back, it's fluctuating from 40 to 42. And at the bottom, it is 37 degrees. Now the phone feels slightly hot, but still manageable. By the way, in those 3 minutes, I've taken about 174 pictures, which is a pretty decent number. And I've tried using the phone right after performing the heat test when the phone was hot. There is no lag or any kind of hiccups, so there's no throttling as well. So there are no heating issues with this phone, and even if you use cameras continuous like me, phone will get hot, but not too hot. At least nothing you should be worrying about. So guys, that was the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test. What do you think about the performance of this phone? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you have any questions or want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.